Favorite medical show?
So my favorite medical show.
My favourite's definitely...
Favorite medical show of all time has to be Scrubs.
What's up, Doc?
I don't want to admit it, but there might be a slight impact it had on me choosing to do medicine.
Totally impressive.
My favourite's definitely Grey's Anatomy, but I don't think it's particularly realistic.
Meredith, behind this door is the coolest medical mystery I have ever seen.
But I think that's the reason why I like it.
Look, I don't watch medical dramas. I watch everything else apart from medical dramas because we do a lot of medicine here. I can't see the dramatization of medicine, I must say.
Favorite medical show? At the moment, it's The Pit. I think it's a very popular answer.
But as of late, I can't go past The Pit.
We have some new faces with us this morning. Good morning, good morning. Come on over.
I think it's kind of fun to watch those shows with a new lens, sort of knowing more about the medicine and seeing how they've reached those conclusions.
I'm a doctor.
It's very different to what actually happens, but still entertaining.
Okay, let's do this.